family, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to come on here today to show you guys how to take your $20 synthetic wig and take it to the next level of perfection. If you guys want to know how, just keep watching.
Diamonds all over my body, China all over my body, but I got a bitch on money.
Bye.
Good. Hey, say you so good for me if they want it. Say low, you can f with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is.
KSR. Jay White did it.
Rolling, all my bitches rolling, all my bitches rolling.
Y'all see her over there? Dang, one of my followers just came in and saw me, y'all, with my hair off. The fuck?
You can f with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose.
They can stay a little lengthy a little bit. Yeah. Not too shaved down. It's coming up right there.
I gotta fix that.
Oh, okay. That was just. She said my head. I'm gonna put that right in the clip too.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cardi a body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane.
All right, Dream family. So now that you guys see the finished product, when I went to the beauty supply store and had them to install the wig, you can see there's a big difference in how the wig looked. I did put the unit on straight out of the packaging and it looked okay. If you guys do want to do that, that is an option. If you want to go for that flawless perfection look, this is the way to go, and it only runs you around 20 bucks. So ask your local beauty supply store, do they do wig installations? Or you might know someone in the neighborhood or someone in particular at a salon that can do the wig installation for you. The wigs look a whole lot better. This is a $20 unit, and the fact that I purchased this unit for $20 and had someone to install it for $20, it is a beautiful finished product for only $40, and it looked like I spent a whole lot more. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and let you guys see the back of the unit as well. So now that you've seen the front and the back of the unit, you see how nice it looks. So I absolutely love it. Let me know, guys, in the comment section down below, how do you feel about this unit? Are you feeling it? Is it beautiful? Is it something that you would like to purchase? Let me know. And if you do, guys, if you do purchase the wig, I would like to see you guys take a picture in it, install it, and tweet me on Twitter and let me see the pictures. That would be so nice. I would love to see this on you guys. So anyway, guys, as always, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, take this opportunity to do so, and also click on the notification button so that you'll know each and every time a video is uploaded to this channel. And remember, Dream family, it's always an opportunity to look cute, never a reason to be busted. So please do stay flawless, and I'll see you in my next video.
I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick cutting off, so don't get comfortable. Look.